Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is interior architect Gizem Sevilmiş, and now I'm in Turkey in Düşler Vadisi project, which is located in Riva. And we have this villa behind me, which we are doing interior project design and installation at the same time. And this villa, let me introduce you, is a F-type, which has 3 floors and the pool. Let's see together what are the details. First of all, this house has 2 entrances. One entrance is from this floor, which is coming from the garage. So when you park in the garage, you're just coming directly in this floor. In this floor, we have the kitchen storage, living room, some guest room, technical room, laundry room, and the general bathroom. And the second floor you see, on one side, the right side, I have a suite room, one of the suite rooms. And the other side, I have 2 rooms, 2 bedrooms with bathrooms that are belonging to themselves. And here on the top, you see that the floor is becoming smaller. And there is another second suite room, which is belonging to the brother of the owner of the house. So let's go get inside and see all the details together. We are entering to the house from the winter garden area, which is in the connection part of kitchen and living room. And from the kitchen and living room at the same time, you can connect to this place. Here we are gonna have a pool area, some resting areas, and here we will have a sitting area. This area we will use as a dining area, and here we are planning to do a barbecue corner. Actually, we did a design for the outdoor, but we are developing it because our primary problem is inside. So while doing the installations on inside, we are still working on the project of outdoor. So let's enter to the house by the living room. Let me take you to the entrance of the house. We have a privilege here. We have our own parking garage place. I remember as we had a 3 space which is belonging to this villa, or 2, I'm not sure. And here is the entrance of the villa actually when you come from the downstairs with the car. And this wall, we designed some entrance wall, welcoming wall with a small table and a mirror and some lightings to give us some idea what is waiting for us inside. Here is the main door. And as you see behind me, the most important object of the villa is the staircase. And we have a huge wall and nice staircase area, and we did a lot of design a lot of options about this area like this. And actually we like this one the most, but we're still thinking if it is the right choice. But actually for even the stairs, because this is floating stairs, it's like a sculpture of the house, I can say, we were considering wood or marble, and we checked both of the options and we like marble a lot. So we decided to continue with the marble, but we didn't want to put some exaggerated design about the rails. So in order to bring this wall's design and the marble in front, we decided to have this ghost kind of rail, which is from glass. Let's see what this floor is consisting of. Actually, I have this nice corridor here. I have a laundry room and the technical room here. The second door is belonging to general bathroom, will be here. And here will be my guest room and the sitting room, actually, with its own bathroom. And here I have also small corridor, which is heading to the kitchen. And in this corridor, in this side, I have a full wardrobe area. This is the wardrobe, like a cloakroom, which we will put our shoes, the coats and everything. It will take a lot of things inside, I think, because it's a huge wall. And I didn't want to divide the living room as a separate room. So here I'm doing some wall from a furniture which will be also like with a mirror, some console table, because when you get inside of the house you would like to leave your like phone and keys somewhere, and this place cannot be outside. So here we have another like mirror and a little table. Here we have the cabinets, as I said, and here I added some separators. So between this wall design and the separators, I'm entering to the living room. Once I enter to the living room, I have a very nice marble table and the dining area. And the sides of the dining area is like we have so nice wall decors, but all of them has a storage inside. And when we go ahead to this part nearby the pool, we have a sitting area and the TV unit here. Let's see the kitchen. Here I have a kitchen with island. This was the dream of my customer. In this island we will have a little breakfast corner and some study area about cooking, I think. And behind me we will have the fridge, freezer, storage cabinet and the coffee table, which my tea maker or coffee maker machines always staying there and not occupying space on my main countertop, because my main countertop is on this wall. In this wall I have my sink area, dishwasher and cooking area and everything always on this countertop, which is very huge. And here I will have the kitchen storage area. Actually, when we first handled this house, we took over this house, our main electricity board was here. But since we are using smart home system here, we need a huge space for the cabinet of electricity. So we carried it to the technical room. So in case of anything, any technical issue, we collected everything here with our mechanical and electrical systems. So they will come here and fix everything instead of like getting inside of the house and going to several places. And the rest of the room, we used it as a laundry room. I have the machines next to each other. They are special like drawers under it. I have a sink area if I want to wash something on my hands, some cabinet areas. And here I have, because of the main entrance of this house is on upstairs, the middle floor. So actually I'm -1 now. So I have this open area here. We will clean here and like do flooring. And we are gonna put all our outer units of AC, for example, here. Let's go ahead to one of the best parts of this house, which is the general bathroom. This is the general bathroom. Here I have a very special wall made up of marble and the brass. And here also I have a toilet area, which also behind has a similar design. Actually we did this design there and we liked it. Actually we agreed with everybody to do this toilet wall like that. But later when we are checking our options about this wall, we saw this design and applied it. Now we don't know which one to take. What you think? Please comment below. I'm very curious about what you're thinking. I think we will choose the second version. Also follow us from Instagram, because daily we are sharing with you all the processes, what we are doing, how we are going, how is the construction, how is the furniture production. You may see all the details there. And here is my second living room, which is gonna be also the guest room. So here I have a TV unit, and behind the door I have like small cabinet area if somebody is coming for a little bit longer time to put their clothes. And I have here some nice L-shaped sofa, which is able to open and become a bed for two. And here I have a bathroom with shower, because this room is also gonna be used for guest room, so if somebody comes, like, they can take a shower. Here I have a storage for the towels and everything. Here I have the toilet and the sink area. And this floor is actually like this. Here we have a empty space which the construction company left for us. This is an elevator place, and we agreed already with an elevator company. We ordered our elevator. It will come soon, hopefully. By the way, for me the electrical system is very important, and generally in our projects we are using smart home systems. But when I explain about smart home systems, everybody is thinking like it's so much complicated, so many things. Actually, I'm not taking all the advantages of it. I'm just using it as I need. For example, in this house, it's a huge house, and when you are getting out, it's much more easier to close all the system with a button or from your phone instead of going all the floors and check which light is on and off. So here we have the smart home system. Just we control the security system, camera system, and the lighting system. And also alarms like water alarm, gas alarm, and some things like that. Let's go upstairs. Also, even if we are not gonna use a smart home system in a house, we are always considering some alarm system, some security system. These are our musts. And in this floor, it's my first, let me show you from the plan, suite room. This is the main entrance of the house. I will take you now to show you how is the entrance of the house. And here I have one bedroom with a bathroom and another one. So let's see first of all the entrance, real entrance, guest entrance of this house. Yes, actually this is the main entrance of our house. And from this view, the house looks like it's two-floor house. But actually it's not three because of the elevation. And here is that's suite room number 1, suite room number 2, and these are the bedrooms that we are gonna see together now. Yes, this is my first suite room. This is the room of the owner of the house. And when I enter, I'm entering to a place which is with some bookcase and some sofa. Actually, we were thinking first this place as our TV unit, but then we wanted to extend our dressing area, so we decided to have a bookcase here and carry the TV in front of the bed. And here I have a nice small corner. This corner will be for coffee. We will put our coffee machine here, maybe some drinks and some stuff in order not to go downstairs for our needs. Here, this area will be fully wardrobe, so I have a lot of space here. And this is my bathroom. I have very nice sink area. We will have a shower here. And while doing the projects, we are always improving them. We are always trying to add something over it. We are not just one drawing and leaving it like that. While we were building the walls, something came to my mind. Instead of making a very deep shower, I'm planning to put here some wall. We will gain a cabinet from inside here next to the toilet, and we will have a niche area. Here is my sink area. It's so beautiful. Let's go ahead. Here it is my wardrobe room, dressing room. This dressing room will be L-shaped, and in the middle there will be some island which will be also used as a makeup desk. Actually, in the first designs we had some nice glass area which will separating the sleeping area from the dressing area, but it was a little bit like 30-35 centimeter big piece. So we decided to simplify it and do this design with the separator to gain also some area for this place. And here I will have a headboard and bed, and here TV unit. And this area we will have a nice long chair to read a book, to enjoy this beautiful view. Let's see the other rooms. Here we have another bedroom. We are opening the door and entering like this. We are having a wardrobe here, some makeup desk area here, and the headboard area here. And in this kind of projects, I'm always considering very nice lighting system because it's changing everything for me. Even though it's like smart home system or not, I'm always having one button next to my bedside table, which I press and close everything. I think this is life-saving. And here I'm entering to the bathroom. I have nice storage area here, toilet here. I have gained another storage area here. I have a shower and the sink area behind me. Let's see the last room in this floor. Our last room here is the master bedroom actually. This room has also amazing view. And in this room I have here a TV unit and here some wardrobe area and here a headboard area. Also when you enter a room you would like to maybe open the headboard wall lightings from entrance of the room to see that view, and then in order to close it or guide it, I'm always doing like double system, which we call wabian. So if you want to read a book and open just this headboard wall, you don't have to go there. We are just adding here another key to open it. And here I have another space. Actually, in this plan, in this house, always this window size lighting I separated from the room's lighting. So if you want to sit here in a more calm, more shadowy part, then you can open less lights and enjoy this nice view here. Also, I always add some LEDs on the curtain side. I think it looks very nice. Let's see the bathroom. Here, the bathroom area, we are entering from here. We have in the deep, there is shower, the toilet and the sink area. And always in the sink side, I'm having some special hidden cabinets for the dirty clothes to collect them. These details we will be talking in the next videos, so subscribe to our channel and follow us also on Instagram how we are gonna go ahead in this project. Let's go to the upstairs, to my favorite room. In all our projects, no matter if you are staying in Istanbul or not, it doesn't matter, because we have online CRM system where you can follow your project daily. Also, we are sharing with you with online meetings and with online reports, weekly reports, that how is the process, how we are going on in your project, and also daily we are sharing all the details through Instagram. Okay, let's see upstairs. We have still the same design for the wall here and the glass rails, but here we thought that it's a little bit dangerous, so we decided to put some metal separator here and entering to the suite room. And in this room, actually, it has the best view ever. First of all, I would like to show you here. It's very nice. Maybe you can see from here it's a little bit foggy, but third bridge. And here we have some TV unit area here, and here I have the headboard. And this wall was very important for us. Actually, I was first designing some kind of leather, specially sewed wall decor, which will look like the waves, because this room's concept is like beige and blue colors. But later we saw very nice wallpaper and we decided to put it. So here is these two designs. Which one would you prefer? And the rest of the room, you will see here we have a very nice wardrobe area. Here will be my sliding doors, and I will have U-shaped wardrobes here. And then I have another sliding door here, which I will enter to the bathroom. I think this is the best point of this house, because you know, through this view I will have a very nice bathtub here, so they will enjoy a lot here. I have this wall, I have niches there, we will put some candles there, and here I have the toilet area, and here I have a shower and the sink area. But this is the best point of this house, I think. I'm very excited to finalize this project, and I hope you like this video, like all the details of this house. If you would like to have the same experience with us, our details are below. Please like this video if you like it, and please subscribe to our channels. You will be the first one to watch when we upload a new video.